What's up, everybody? DIY Remy here, and today I just want to show y'all how the Ryobi 3-gallon shop vac or wet dry vac works. I got a little bit of dust up here, as you can see, sawdust from doing a lot of cuts with MDF and 2x4s. So this is the battery we'll be using, the HP battery. It's fully charged, as you can see. Set aside. Now the building I've been working in is actually my mom's soon-to-be tiny house. Just do a little cleanup today. I actually got some wood chips caught in there. So you pick those up. So you can see it's pretty powerful, and yeah, that's not that thick, but you can still try to soak them up. Vacuum is great for those, especially vacuuming out the car. Just carry, set it on the seat, set it on the ground. The hose is not that long, but here's another feature that I will show you with the shop vac. So you can take your hose off right here. Take this piece. Now it comes with two other pieces, I think. This and then the long skinny piece for getting tight cracks and stuff. So come over here where the blower motor is, or where it sucks out at. Put that right there. Attach this. It turned into a little mini blower. It's not too powerful. If your air hose for air compressor, so that's too strong, then you usually turn this on and it works. Y'all see this area here. I don't use the haven't hooked the vacuum up to the sawdust shootout on the miter saw. So that's why a lot of stuff in the windows cakes up, but let y'all see how it does. Get the camera so I can see. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe. I'm a big fan of a lot of the Ryobi stuff. I got the vacuum cleaner, I got a jigsaw, the impact driver, and the regular drill. I'm planning on continuing to expand as far as 18-volt tools go. And I got the weed eater that's gas powered. It works great. Let's expand it. But you can see the video on the weed eater on my channel as well. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, share, subscribe. And D out by Raymond. We'll see y'all later. Have a blessed day.